Hey everyone, and welcome back to this mini series on Midjourney, where I'm teaching you tips and tricks about how to use it. So as you can see here, I've been messing around using different prompts to generate some really amazing AI pictures. So we're going to do another one. So I'm just going to talk you through a couple of other things within Midjourney. So we're going to use the same prompt that we have previously. So /imagine, then prompt, and then I'm going to put in my prompt that I'm going to do. So I'm going to say, so I've put in a prompt, as you can see. I've said fantasy world, blue and pink colours with a Ferris wheel and balloons, Pixar style. So as you can see here, it is now sort of starting to generate the images for me. Amazing. So you can see that we are now done. And if we click here, you can see Midjourney has created us some insane pictures. They just look incredible. I'm loving the colours. I'm loving them all. So we've got square 1, square 2, square 3 and square 4. It's actually really hard to decide which one because I love them all. I think I kind of like square 2 and square 4. So if we go back out of that, you can see underneath we have got this U1, U2, U3 and U4. So that means upscaling the image. So if I press on U2 and then U4, so it is going to upscale this image for us. And as you can see, there we go, it's done it. So now it's generated us a larger picture of the square that we chose. And then as you can see here, we have that larger scale as well. So that is what the U stands for. And then underneath the U, we've got V. So this stands for variations. So if, for example, I quite like square 2, but I thought I'd like to try it, so I'd like to see a different variation of it. If I press this V2, and then I'm going to press V1 as well, because I do quite like that image. So I'm going to see what else Midjourney can generate with it. So what that's going to do is that is going to generate 4 different variations of that picture, which is pretty amazing. If there's an image that you like, but you think, oh, I quite like to see what else Midjourney can do. And then as you see, if we scroll down, it is then generating us the 4 variations of those pictures that we selected. Amazing. Okay, so there we go. Let's click and let's see. Oh, wow. So you can see here we've got some different variations. It's sort of changed the water to land. We've got here like a little bridge with a lake running through and then a different lake in that. So I think they look absolutely amazing. I'm loving the colours, loving the vibes of this. And then if we click here, you can see again, we've got different variations. They put in more castles and that. So I've got a couple more castles. So it's showing like a little bit more of a kingdom. It just was like such a fun place. I love it. I've got different new balloons and stuff in here. So yeah, so you can then obviously progress if, for example, you like square 1 and you wanted to see different variations of that. Then if you press the V4, then Midjourney will generate those for you. And same with these sort of 4 pictures up here and everything. So that's explaining what the U means, which is upscaling, and the V is variations. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it does really help our channel and we do appreciate it so much. See you in the next one.